Let's be real. The hardest part about getting started with investing is often the same for everyone: having no money. It feels like a vicious cycle, right? You need money to invest, but you're barely making enough to save. Sound familiar? Trust me, I've been there. When I first started out, I was working as a barista, making minimum wage and barely scraping by. The thought of investing felt like a distant dream. But here's the thing: you don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to be smart about it. It's not about how much you have right now. It's about building the right habits and making your money work harder for you. Today, I'm sharing 7 ways to start investing as a beginner, even if you think you can't afford it right now. Okay, I get it. You're probably thinking, I can barely afford my Netflix subscription. How am I supposed to invest? And that's totally fair. But that's why we're starting simple. Forget about fancy stocks or complicated strategies for now. Step 1 is building a solid foundation, and that starts with a high-interest savings account. Think of it as your financial launchpad. Instead of letting your money sit in a traditional checking account earning next to nothing, a high-interest savings account actually pays you to save. We're talking about interest rates that are significantly higher, which means your money grows faster even while you sleep. Even if you can only spare $10 or $20 a week, set up an automatic transfer to your high-interest savings account. You won't even miss that money, and over time it'll grow into a nice little nest egg. This is more than just saving, it's about building momentum. Plus, having that emergency fund will give you peace of mind and the confidence to take on bigger investment opportunities down the road. Starting small is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strategy. Open that high-interest savings account today, even if it's with just a few dollars. Alright, so you've got your high-interest savings account up and running. That's amazing. Now let's take it up a notch and talk about putting your money to work in the stock market. That's where robo-advisors come in, your secret weapon for effortless investing. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Acorns use algorithms to manage your investments. You answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The robo-advisor creates a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds and ETFs. Robo-advisors handle everything from rebalancing to reinvesting dividends. It's like investing on autopilot. You set it and forget it while your money grows. Most robo-advisors charge a small annual fee, typically around 0.25% to 0.50%. You can start with as little as $100 and watch your money grow. Ready to level up your investing game? Check out some popular robo-advisor platforms. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes even setting aside $100 feels impossible when you're living paycheck to paycheck. But what if I told you that you could start investing with just your spare change? That's right, I'm talking about micro-investing, the easiest and most fun way to start investing without even noticing it. Apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood have completely revolutionized the investing game by making it accessible to literally anyone. Here's how it works. You link your debit or credit card to the micro-investing app, and every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up your transaction to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change into a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or even real estate. So let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. The micro-investing app will round it up to $4 and invest that extra 50 cents for you. It might not seem like much, but those small amounts add up over time, especially if you're making multiple transactions throughout the day. The beauty of micro-investing is that it takes the guilt and effort out of investing. You don't have to think about it, you don't have to manually transfer money, it just happens automatically in the background of your everyday life. So, if you're looking for a stress-free and affordable way to start investing, download a micro-investing app today and start putting your spare change to work. Okay, let's talk about one of the most powerful investment vehicles available to you, especially if you're employed, the 401k. Now, I know retirement might seem like a lifetime away, especially if you're in your 20s or 30s, but trust me, the sooner you start, the better off you'll be. Here's why the 401k is such a game changer. It allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which means you're reducing your taxable income and saving money on taxes right now. But it gets even better. Many employers offer what's called a 401k match, where they contribute a percentage of your salary to your retirement account, essentially giving you free money. Think about it. If your employer offers a 5% match and you contribute 5% of your salary, that's like getting a 100% return on your investment right off the bat. The money you contribute to your 401k grows tax-deferred, which means you don't pay taxes on it until you withdraw it in retirement. This allows your money to grow exponentially over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. So if your employer offers a 401k plan, take advantage of it. Talk to your HR department, set up your account, and start contributing today. Your future self will thank you for it. Keep it simple, smart investing in low-cost index funds and ETFs. Let's dive into the exciting world of investing in the stock market. We're not going into complicated trading strategies or risky penny stocks. We'll keep it simple with low-cost index funds and ETFs. Think of them like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, index funds and ETFs let you invest in hundreds of companies with one purchase. This gives you instant diversification, crucial for managing risk. And the best part, they have low fees, meaning more of your money works for you. Expense ratios can be as low as 0.03%, compared to mutual funds that charge 1% or more. For most people, especially beginners, investing in low-cost index funds and ETFs is the smartest way to build long-term wealth. Open an account with a reputable brokerage like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab, and explore their low-cost index funds and ETFs. Real estate investing on any budget. Unlocking the power of crowdfunding. Okay, let's talk about real estate investing, one of the most traditional and proven ways to build wealth. But I know what you're thinking. Money mindset, I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars lying around to buy a rental property. And you know what? You don't need to. That's because real estate crowdfunding platforms have completely changed the game, making it possible for anyone to invest in real estate with as little as $500. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet allow you to pool your money with other investors to purchase shares of commercial real estate projects, such as apartment buildings, office spaces, or even renewable energy projects. The beauty of real estate crowdfunding is that it gives you access to institutional quality investments that were previously only available to high net worth individuals and institutions. And the best part? You don't have to deal with the headaches of being a landlord. No more late night calls about leaky faucets or chasing down rent checks. With real estate crowdfunding, you're passively investing in professionally managed properties, earning rental income and potential appreciation without lifting a finger. It's important to do your research, understand the fees involved, and choose platforms that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of owning a piece of a skyscraper or a solar farm, check out some of the reputable real estate crowdfunding platforms out there. You'll be amazed at the opportunities available to you. The ultimate investment, leveling up your financial literacy. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today, from high-interest savings accounts to real estate crowdfunding. But here's the thing, no investment strategy, no matter how sound, can truly flourish without a solid foundation of financial literacy. Think of it this way, investing without financial knowledge is like driving a car without knowing the rules of the road. You might be able to get behind the wheel and figure out the basics, but you're far more likely to make costly mistakes, get lost, or even crash and burn. That's why I can't stress enough the importance of investing in yourself, in your financial education. The more you know about personal finance, investing, and money management, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, navigate market fluctuations, and achieve your financial goals. There are countless resources available to help you level up your financial literacy, from books and podcasts to blogs and YouTube channels like this one. The more you learn about personal finance, the more confident and empowered you'll feel to take control of your money, make informed investment decisions, and build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. So, invest in yourself, invest in your financial education, and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. Start investing today. Your future self will thank you. So where can you be if you start applying these 7 ways today? In 6 months, you'll have built the foundation of your financial future. In 1 year, you'll start seeing the rewards of consistent investing, whether that's in your 401k, your micro-investing app, or even real estate. And in 5 years, you could be well on your way to financial independence, living a life that many only dream of. It all starts with that first step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start with what you have, and before you know it, your money will be working for you. Remember that time you stressed over buying that latte? Imagine if that money was working for you instead, growing and compounding in the market. Let me know in the comments which of these 7 ways you're going to start today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips to grow your wealth. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we break down even more financial myths and empower you to take control of your money.